International model includes an adapter kit for US, UK, and EU power outlets. Can also be powered via USB. Guaranteed non-looping design provides 10 unique fan sounds and 10 unique white noise variations, including pink noise and brown noise. Blocks disruptive environmental noises so you or your little one can fall asleep with ease. Safe, solid-state design is powered by AC or USB and dynamically creates unique, non-repeating sounds without moving parts. Precise volume control allows you to set the perfect level for your unique environment. Buy with confidence, designed in the USA and backed by great customer care team in the USA. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing white noise machine. This is an amazing, sturdy white noise machine. I had a couple or cheap ones to see if I like it. Very quickly I realized I will never be able to sleep without white noise anymore. I decided to upgrade to a fancier one and definitely wanted one with brown noise. This machine was a great choice, lots of fan noises and different color noises. I live in a place where dogs can bark for hours at night. I am so happy I can finally get some good rest.